Hey guys, check out this really cool kitchen appliance. It's a rapid egg cooker made by TESSLUX. It looks really cool, very easy to use. It's got a display over here. Let's go ahead and cook some eggs and check it out. It comes in this really cool box with the instructions manual. Got this measuring cup with a needle right here. That's to poke the eggs when you're cooking them. And this is the bowl for poached eggs. It's got a nice clear cover. The tray, which is also convenient, it's got like handles over here that you can just grab by and remove the eggs from the cooker. And you can also actually use this tray to cook an omelet. It can cook between 1 and 6 eggs at a time. And this is the display right here. You press and hold to turn it on. On the left side, we have the guide for 1 to 3 eggs. And this is for 4 to 6 eggs. So just pour some water in the tray. Press and hold to turn it on, and then select how many minutes you want. I wanted a medium, and I'm only cooking 3 eggs at this time, so it's 10 minutes. I'm gonna cover this and let it cook. Within a few seconds, you can see that the cover steaming up a little bit. What I really like is that it shuts off automatically when it's all done, so you don't have to worry about it when you're in the middle of doing things and you just set the eggs to cook. When it's done cooking, the device will shut off and you can just eat your eggs whenever you're ready for it. Now I'm going to make a poached egg. That's 7 minutes. In the meantime, let's check out our medium cooked eggs. Oh, looks very nice. Slightly runny yolk. Perfect. Yeah, that's how I like it. The egg cooker and all the trays are really easy to clean. This guide that's available right up front every time is very convenient, and it makes a perfect egg every time.